Hello everybody, we're here at Embedded World 2025. Foundries is showing a number of activities on our new stand. We have new branding that we've worked with Qualcomm to create, and we're showing a number of demonstrations. So here behind me we have 4 screens. One of them is showing our Foundries Factory SaaS product, which is our service to enable developers to get to market faster with their products, to be able to develop them, build in the cloud, provision them, create device fleets, and then manage the life cycle of the product. So this is the user interface to the factory, available from anywhere. And then we're also showing Edge Impulse, which is an AI development tool that makes it very easy for developers to create AI-based edge applications. This is working in the Foundries Factory. We're also showing for the first time completely upstream open source software that we have developed for Qualcomm processors. So this is for the Dragonwing RB3 Gen 2, which is what this is, which is a development board using the 6490 SoC. We're actually demonstrating the latest Linux kernel upstream, so 6.14, and this is completely open source software. And we have 2 operating systems here. We have Debian here on the bottom right, and we have Yocto build here on the top left. This is significant because it's the first time we've openly made software for Qualcomm SoCs available to the developer community. And so what this is enabling is developers to start contributing, working with upstream software that will eventually appear in our Linux products, in Qualcomm's Linux products. So we're excited to be able to offer this now to the developer community. For the first time, they're going to be able to start working on these devices with completely open software available on GitHub. So what we're showing on the stand today is a complete suite of tools for developers to be able to easily get started on developing their IoT and edge products. Thank you.